All right. Well, we're preparing for quiz 2A on Monday, and I did not have my book cam, but I can do this on my iPad. So I'm asking you to do this one chart, and what we would be looking for would be os, u, o, on, e, oi, own, ois, oos, oi. Then we have the feminine a, ace, a, ain, a, I, own, ice, os, I, on, oo, o, on, ah, own, ois, ah, ah. So I want you to be able to write that. Some tricks. Remember that this is going to be the same, and this is always the same. This is the same as that. Uh, Remember that in the neuter, your nominative and accusative and vocatives are always the same. So if you get one, I, in my mind, think, okay, this is the same as that. So in effect, if you get this one, you get all of uh, all of these here. Um, the feminines have this consistent eta in all of them, and then there's an alpha in all but the genitive. So it should be fairly straightforward. You want to be able to say this chart: osu, o, on, e, oi, own, ois, us, oi, a, ace, a, ain, a, I, own, I, sas, I, on, u, o, on, oi, own, ois, ah. This is the central chart for all Greek nouns. In my estimation, 75% percent of the nouns probably fall in this chart. So it's very important that you master this chart well. I would print it out. I would take it, keep taking it until you can just write it out just very easily. And once you do that, we will build on this chart elsewhere. Then the second thing, I'm not asking you to translate these words, but do you recognize uh, any? You might recognize was, you might recognize the word, you might recognize God. God is in the accusative because the object of pros. If you get word here, you get word there. Um, you might recognize God beginning. So I'm not looking for perfection here, just to show that you're starting to connect some of the words. Listen, I hope you have a great weekend. I hope your study time goes well, and I look forward to our quiz on Monday. See you then.